Hey friends and family, Chef Tiffany here. As promised, wanted to give you guys a tour of the Sunfired Institute kitchen. Here we go. All right, so this is more of the main area. We usually have our feasts in this area. There's a little picture of the doctor there. And as we move into this next space, this is really the main kitchen area, prepping space, more of a wet kitchen. Um, all of our bowls and knives, a lot of the juicing and cutting happens in here, washing of dishes, all of the cold food is stored in here. And then this is more of a dry kitchen slash storage space slash pantry, as well as library. So you can see there's some dry goods there, seaweed, some figs, other things. A lot of the equipment is also stored in this kitchen. Things are made in this kitchen. Dehydrating happens in this kitchen. You can see some mixing bowls and Vitamixes, food processors. There's some dehydrators there. A sink for prepping and some storage space. Here we have more of the equipment as well as a dry pantry that has, you can see some sumac, annatto, nutmeg, cloves, some nice dried spices. On this side, we also have some more spices as well as dried fruit. And then we have the nuts here on this side, different types of nuts that are in different forms of processing. Here we have the Becoming Raw book, Plants and Health. This is also a library. As I mentioned, you can come and just sit down and do some learning. We have some more spices here. Beautiful, just spices, as well as just all kinds of dried herbs. Really, really love this space. And then back here, you can see for learning, there is books on health and anything that you would like to learn. Honestly, if you're interested in health and wellness and nutrition, there's a book here for you. So here we got vegetarian cuisine, fat flush plan, new choices, natural healing. If you're on the natural healing vibes, drop me a comment down below if you've made it this far to the video. I appreciate you. Drop me a green heart if you're on that natural healing, y'all. We got the, what is this? Some other titles here. Ooh, vegetarian cooking. Yes. Absolutely love the space. 100% vegano. Love it. Human body and how it works. So yeah, just a great space full of lots of knowledge. As you're enjoying the retreat with Dr. Aris Latham, you can, get your knowledge on, go walk in the garden, in the sunshine, and learn something. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like it, and watch some other content while you're here.